y'all. So it is Saturday, June 26th. It's actually my husband's birthday, so we just came back from getting breakfast. And we are at his yard where he works. And I want to show y'all something. Now y'all know my husband's an owner operator. We bought a truck about 3 years ago. And we call her Bumblebee. It's this one here. It's a day cab. Well, guess what? Last week, oh, my hair is flying, we bought another truck. Ta-da! So now both of these are our, we have to come up with the name for it. My sister's, not my sister, my daughter call it Moneymaker. But so that's Bumblebee right there, and this is the new addition. So, and it's another day cab. This is a Freightliner. And that one is International, which, so, if you know about trucks, then you know. But anyway, so, I was supposed to be, the plan was, when we buy a new truck, I was going to be driving it so we can get all the money coming in the same household. However, you know, we got another new addition to the family, so me jumping in and out of a truck is not, you know, it ain't happening right now. So anywho, but I do have my CDLs though, so I just don't have like a Twit card and all that stuff, but that ain't hard to get. But anyway, so my husband is going to teach me how to drive trucks. Now I am not dressed to be driving trucks today, so he just gonna let me drive around the yard real quick. Now see, I have my CDLs, however what I drive is automatic. I don't do manual, so I'm about to grind the hell out these darn gears. And y'all know when you working with your partner, you would think it's easier, but it's not, because I already know he about to be cussing me out. Nina, you grinding my gears, Nina, do that. So I ain't really looking forward to riding in the truck with him, but no, he gonna teach me. But yeah, I'm super excited. I am super excited. So hopefully, because we was able to pay this one off in 2 years. Last year, April, is when we officially paid that off. So I'm hoping, I got an eye booger, that we're able to pay this off in about 2 years as well. That's the plan. And then purchase another truck. The third truck, we think we want it to be a sleeper and have it be over the road, because these are city trucks. My husband ride the city. He used to be over the road, but when my daughter was first born, and she'll be 9 in December, so that was forever ago. He don't plan on getting over the road anytime soon. This one is going to be a city truck as well, because you know Savannah is a port city, so it's always work. But Savannah is a port city, so that's going to go on and off the ports. But the next truck after we pay this off, like I said, going to be a sleeper, and we're going to probably like find somebody who want to do over the road and let them, you know, jump in that sleeper. But listen, we're a young black couple with a plan, y'all. Don't we have a plan, y'all? Don't we have a plan for our future? Yeah. But we have to come up with a name for Snow White over here. Cocaine. Alright, well let me see. Let me see. Hi Reagan. So y'all, this is the inside of the truck. My little riding partner. Oh, this is bigger than Bumblebee. This is bigger. This is a Freightliner. The inside of this is way more spacious than what this one is over here. What I say this is, y'all? International. I like this one. See all this space right here? Now, hopefully, whatever driver we get, isn't a junky person and keep the darn truck somewhat clean. Now it is a truck. I don't expect it to be super clean like, you know, your car. Long as it make us some money. But I mean, you gotta keep up with it now. You know? So, let me flip it back on. Ooh, it look rough. But okay, so I don't know what my husband's doing. Oh. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to drive. You ready right now? But let me go. Let me put it up because I'm about to ride around this thing. Like I said, I have my CDLs, I just don't drive trucks. But so this is gonna be interesting. But let me go, y'all, before I turn. I don't feel like him cussing me out about grinding these gears and stuff. So let me get myself. Alright, go ahead. How do I know where it is?
It's right here.
But how?
It tell you right here. Put it all the way to the corner first.
Do I?
No, don't. Just put it all the way in the corner to reverse.
I don't know. But...
All right. That's all you got to do. Now let up off the clutch slowly. You'll feel it engage.
Okay, how do I know it's in reverse? I don't see it.
It ain't nothing going to show you up there. You know about right here. Y'all do it.
What do I do?
Push the clutch in. All right, turn the key and turn it back on.
Is the key down here? You put it in reverse. Why would you?
Yeah, I know, because we got to back up real quick because I got to get the rockers on the tire. Hold the clutch in.
I got it. You should let me drive your truck.
Alright,
let
truck the same way. Ease off of, you got to let go of the brake too.
Oh, at the same time?
Yeah, just ease off of, yeah. Ease off.
Woo!
Alright, stop. Alright, hold the clutch in.
Oh, okay, I didn't know.
Put your foot on the brake.
I got it on both.
Alright, pull the thing out of gear.
And do what with it?
Just, when you see it like this, it's out.
So what do I do now?
Just hold on.
Oh, hell no, y'all. So apparently I gotta hold the clutch and the darn brakes at the same time. See, why can't I just apply the air brakes and take my foot off the surface brake?
Well, that's me. I don't know how to drive.
Yes.
You push the brakes.
Yeah.
That yellow one pushed in?
Yeah. You see it, Andy?
Yes. My hair is popping.
Yeah, I am so freaking nervous.
Don't worry. Daddy has
Huh?
Take your foot off the brake.
But hold the clutch.
Yeah. Take your foot off the brake.
It's off. Woo! It's off. Do I apply the air brakes?
Push the brake. Push the brake and hold it.
I got it. I don't like this. I
got to take it back.
What would happen?
There's a brake change back there.
Uh-oh. Ready to drive?
Yeah, I know. It's not. So what do I do?
Alright, you got the clutch in?
I got both of them there.
Alright, push this down this way. Over to the left, down. Alright, you're going to ease over the clutch and the brake together.
I don't like that. I don't know if I'm in trouble or not.
Yeah, I think you're going to drop the fall for this right here.
Woo! Woo!
Go!
Woo! Woo! Alright, when do I put my foot on the clutch?
You're about to come to a stop. Alright,
The clutch or the brake? Which one? Which one?
Push the gas.
Okay, I'm pushing
Put your
again.
foot on the clutch.
Okay.
And hold the brake. And then when you hit the engine, see, when you hit the engine rev up,
Uh-huh. So do this.
you got to look at the guide. So when you hit the engine rev up,
Uh-huh.
Go.
What? Put my foot on the clutch?
No, don't put your foot on the clutch.
Okay. Hold her on your neck.
Alright, when you hear the engine rev up,
Uh-huh.
come out of this gear.
You riding good.
Hold. Alright, stop. Put your foot on the brake and the clutch.
Okay.
Push the clutch in.
Oh. Alright.
Alright, go. Come on, Ricky, sit down. Hold on before you go. Sit down, Ricky. Alright, go.
Okay.
That's good. You come off the clutch and the gas together. Now push the arm.
The gas.
Yeah. Alright, go. Alright, go.
I need an automatic.
Go.
This ain't working.
Because it's your first day doing it. Alright, you got to learn how to do it. 2 hands. Alright, come on.
Okay.
Alright, now this time you gonna go hold it.
Hold the clutch?
No, keep going.
So when do I touch the clutch?
When you stopping and going.
Okay.
Alright, hold it. Now go. You go. Stop doing that.
Doing what?
Hold the thing at a steady. Hold the
I'm
pedal at a steady.
okay, I am.
Now go. Alright. Watch all the potholes and stuff.
What is that?
It opens the gate. I'm not driving in the street.
I'm not about to let you drive in the street.
Oh, I'm about to
I'm
say.
about to show you how it goes.
Let's see what you got.
Are you gonna close the gate?
It's closed by itself.
See, it's that clutch that get me. I can drive. The driving part, not the hard part. It's that darn clutch.
What, the little bumps?
No, having to switch gears. Not the clutch, having to switch gears. That I can't. That's gonna. I don't know.
Hold the clutch down to the
Press the brake.
Yeah.
Hold the clutch down.
Push that down. It's just
Let
like
that brake.
it was. Now you're going that way and down. Go on the first. That way and down. There you go.
And then I put my foot off of both.
No, you can take, ease off of both until you feel it going again. Alright, look 1 second. The second is up here. You got to move up and then over.
Do that now?
Yeah, you hit it right up.
Up and open.
Not too far. Alright, put your foot back in the clutch.
Clutch.
Brake.
And brake.
Go back down the first. Alright, ease off. It got to be a
Up low?
smooth transition, yeah. Let me tell you the easier way.
Okay.
Alright, you ease off the clutch until you feel it engage.
So I take my foot off the brake first?
No, you ease off the clutch first until you feel it engage. Like you ease up until you feel it engage. You'll feel the spot where it's engaged. You feel where it's going?
Yeah,
Right
yeah.
then you let yourself off the brake.
Okay. Now go up.
No, drive. Put the pedal. Press the pedal. Press the pedal. Alright, now when you hear it go rev, go, pedal. Alright.
Up.
Now go up.
Oh.
Y'all doing too much revving, too much revving.
I'm
Put the start on. You can't just rev the down and move out. Alright. Go all the way down to the. Alright. Ease up.
Shut,
on
do this first. Let me see.
Don't just ease up on it.
I keep going up too far.
I'll show you. Ease up on. Do it like how I told you. Ease up off the clutch till you feel it engage. And then let you come off the brake. Come off the brake slowly.
Okay. And then add a little acceleration.
Man, it got to be like a smooth little thing.
I'm trying.
Hold the thing down steady. Alright.
I'm not doing
You
that.
revving up. You
So
revving.
don't rev.
Alright, go. I'm gonna show you how to. I'm gonna do it like this. Go. Come on, press it. It got to be a smooth transition. Alright. See? See how I put
So
it?
do I take
Go. Put,
this water? I
your
can't
thing.
just out.
Hold your thing down steady. Go, let's go.
I'm trying.
You got that. Hold your foot down steady.
It
You know
is
how to
steady.
hold your foot down steady in the car. Alright, let go. Alright, go. When you switching gears, let your foot off of it and switch gears. That way you're ready
Let my
to
foot
slide.
up. Okay.
The gas pedal. Go. Alright, let go. Pressure. You gotta let go. Go ahead, pressure.
I'm pressing.
Go down on it. Go. Alright, let go.